Hello all and welcome to Wow Crochet. My name is Mary and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to do the basic chain stitch. Okay, that's a handful of chains. I don't know if it's 10 or 12, I can't remember exactly, but that doesn't matter. Okay, we're going to start off with a slip knot. If you're not sure how to do that, I do have a tutorial on my YouTube channel here, so you can go and check that out and come back if you like. In the meantime, this is how we do it. Basic, need your hook, yarn over hook, pull through the loop that's on the hook. Easy. Yarn over hook, pull through the loop that's on the hook. Get a close up. Yarn over hook, pull through the loop that's on the hook. Yarn over hook, pull through the loop that's on the hook. Very, very basic. You will be using that throughout all of your projects or most of your projects. There are other items that you can do. You don't necessarily have to work with chains. There are other ways. There's chainless crochet, and that's an interesting one. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also, if you want, you can click that little bell or alarm looking thing on the right hand side, and that actually gives you a message every time I pop a YouTube video up. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting. Bye.